Let's get this marinade going. This is Chinese roast pork. Like when you get those slices of roast pork that are slightly red, slightly sweet. And I'm using a piece of boneless country style pork. That's a 1 pound piece. This should come out very nice. It's the right size too to get slices out of. So first I'm going to put the soy. It's going to warm this up. And then, in order to get all this honey out of here, I put it in after the soy. 2/3 of a cup. But I'm going to change that because it's an awful lot. So we're going to go with a 1/2 cup of honey. Well, that's coming out. We got the hoison. We'll rinse that with the soy sauce. Get a little spatula type and get all of that out. Usually, if a recipe has honey and oil in it, I measure the oil, then I put the honey into the measurer with the that the honey was in, that has a thin coat of oil, and the honey just flies out of the measuring cup. And the hoisin, like I said, I'm going to warm this slightly. We're going to marinate this piece of pork overnight. Then we have the, hate to get this on your fingers, the food color. The ginger powder, 5-spice powder, brown sugar. Now it looks like a lot of sweetness is going in there, but it's only marinating, so a lot of it comes off. The garlic. Put this on the stove now just to warm up, and then let it cool down a little, and then put it in the bag with the pork. I forgot the rice wine, so I'm going to add it now. Now I'm going to put that piece of pork into the marinade. Getting most of the air out without making a mess. This is a Ziploc one. You can use the other type. That's pretty good. And I'll leave it on the plate. And there we go. Tomorrow, I'll roast it. It's time to get things cooking. So what I have is, I set the convection oven at 375, which is 350 without convection. Put a lot of aluminum foil, doubled it on this, because this thing has a lot of sugar. And that pan's going to be difficult to clean. So, and if this goes over well for dinner, we're having spare ribs tomorrow night, because it's somebody's birthday. And I said, if this goes well, there's a marinade to do, like 1/2 rack. Now I'm going to put this in the oven and set the time. Well, that looks great. That took a total of 25 minutes, and I can still see it's juicy in the middle. How nice. I hope you enjoy.